Hello everyone, and welcome! Are you ready to go on an amazing adventure? Today, we are going to look up into the sky and all around us to discover some of the most wonderful creatures on our planet. Birds, aren't they just brilliant? They come in all shapes, all sizes, and all colors. Some are tiny enough to fit in your hand, while others are taller than a grown-up. Birds are everywhere, in the parks, in our gardens, and even in the busiest cities. They sing beautiful songs to say hello to the morning sun and build cozy little homes for their families. Let's get our binoculars ready and become bird explorers together. Have you ever stopped to listen to a bird singing its happy tune? It's like they are telling us a secret story about their day. Each chirp and tweet is a special message. Maybe they are calling to their friends, or perhaps they are just singing because they are happy to see the sunshine. Birds have feathers that help them fly, stay warm, and show off their beautiful colors. Think about all the different colors you've seen on a bird. I've seen bright red ones, sunny yellow ones, and even shiny blue ones. It's like they are wearing a fabulous feathery rainbow coat every single day. The next time you are outside, why not try a little listening game? Close your eyes for just a moment and see how many different bird songs you can hear. Is there a soft, gentle cooing sound? That might be a pigeon. Do you hear a loud, cheerful chirping? That could be a little sparrow saying hello from a branch. It's so much fun to guess which bird is making which sound. Birds are like nature's musicians, playing a wonderful concert for us all day long. They make the world feel so alive and full of happy noises, don't you think? It's a fun mystery to solve. Being a bird explorer is super easy and so exciting. You don't need any special equipment, just your eyes and your ears. You can start right in your own backyard or on a walk to the park. Look up at the telephone wires, peek into the leafy trees, and watch the big open sky. Every bird you see has its own special story. What does it eat? Where does it live? How does it fly so high? We are going to find out some of these amazing answers today. So put on your explorer hats because our bird-watching journey is just beginning. Let's go! Wow! Look at all the different types of birds! Let's meet some of them. Have you ever seen a tiny, speedy hummingbird? They are so small, and their wings beat so incredibly fast that they make a humming sound, which is how they got their name. They can even fly backwards. On the other side of things, we have the magnificent ostrich. It's the biggest bird in the world, and it's so big it can't fly. But guess what? It can run super fast, faster than your parents can drive a car in the city. Isn't that amazing? From the tiniest to the biggest, every bird is unique. Now let's fly over to a tropical rainforest. Here we can find the parrot. Parrots are famous for their bright, dazzling feathers in colors like green, blue, yellow, and red. They are like flying jewels. But that's not all that makes them special. Some parrots are super smart and can even learn to copy human words. Can you say hello, Polly? A parrot might just say it back to you. Then, deep in the chilly lands of Antarctica, we find the penguin. Penguins are birds that are expert swimmers instead of flyers. They waddle adorably on the ice and zoom through the cold water like little torpedoes. Let's soar up high into the sky with the mighty eagle. Eagles are powerful birds of prey with amazing eyesight. They can spot a tiny mouse on the ground from way up high in the air. It's like having super-powered binoculars built right into their eyes. They build enormous nests called eyries at the very top of tall trees or on high cliffs. Now, let's come back down to our gardens. You might see a little robin with its bright red chest, especially in the winter. Robins are very friendly and curious birds, and they love to look for wiggly worms to eat for their dinner. From the quiet owl that hunts at night with its big round eyes, to the graceful swan that glides across the water in the park, the world is full of so many feathery friends. Each one has its own home, its own favorite food, and its own special way of living. Some birds travel thousands of miles every year in a journey called migration, flying to warmer places when it gets cold. They are amazing little travelers. Which bird would you most like to be for a day? Would you be a speedy hummingbird or a powerful eagle? It's so much fun to imagine. Are you ready for some super secret mind-boggling bird facts? Let's dive in. Did you know that birds are related to dinosaurs? It's true. Scientists have found that birds evolved from the same family as the giant T-Rex. So when you see a little chicken pecking around in a farm, you are looking at a distant cousin of a big, scary dinosaur. Isn't that a funny thought? Birds have been on our planet for a very, very long time. They have hollow bones, which is a super clever trick. This makes them really lightweight, which helps them to fly high in the sky without being too heavy. Here's another brilliant secret. Have you ever wondered how birds know where to go when they fly south for the winter? It's a huge puzzle. Scientists think they use the Earth's magnetic field as a secret invisible map to guide them. It's like they have a built-in compass in their brains. This helps them travel thousands of miles and find the exact same spot year after year. That's more amazing than any map we could use. It allows them to find warm weather and yummy food, even when their home gets cold and snowy. What an incredible superpower to have! Let's talk about feathers. Feathers are not just for flying. A peacock, for example, has a huge, spectacular fan of tail feathers with patterns that look like big, shiny eyes. He uses these to show off and say, "Look at me, aren't I the most handsome peacock around?" A duck's feathers are also very special because they are waterproof. The duck spreads a special oil all over its feathers to make the water roll right off. This keeps the duck dry and warm even while it's swimming in a chilly pond. Feathers are like the perfect multi-purpose tool for birds. And for our final secret, let's talk about eggs. All birds lay eggs, and they come in so many different colors and sizes. The ostrich lays the biggest egg in the world. It's so big you could make an omelet for your whole family from just one. The tiny hummingbird, on the other hand, lays an egg that is as small as a jelly bean. Birds build amazing nests to keep their eggs safe. Some use twigs and mud, some use soft moss, and the clever weaver bird even weaves an incredible hanging nest from grass. They are all wonderful little engineers, building safe homes for their babies. Birds are not just beautiful and fun to watch, they are also super important helpers for our planet. Have you ever seen a bird eating a berry from a bush? When it flies away, it might drop the seed somewhere else. And guess what? A brand new plant or tree can grow from that seed. This is called seed dispersal. Birds are like little gardeners, flying around and planting trees and flowers all over the world for free. This helps our forests grow big and strong, giving homes to lots of other animals. They help make our world greener and more beautiful. Birds are also part of nature's cleanup crew. Some birds, like vultures, eat animals that have died. This might sound a little bit yucky, but it's actually a very important job. By cleaning up, they help stop the spread of germs and keep the environment healthy and tidy for everyone. Other birds are expert insect catchers. They gobble up lots of mosquitoes, caterpillars, and other little bugs. This is a big help for farmers because it protects their crops. It's also great for us because it means fewer pesky bugs buzzing around when we are trying to play outside. Birds also help us by being great indicators of the environment's health. This means that by watching the birds, scientists can tell if a place is healthy or not. If there are lots of different kinds of birds singing and building nests, it usually means the air is clean, the water is fresh, and there's plenty of food. But if the birds start to disappear, it can be a warning sign that something is wrong with their habitat. So, by taking care of the birds, we are also learning how to take care of our whole planet, which is the most important job of all. So, you see, birds are our amazing feathered friends who do so much for us. They fill our world with song, they paint the sky with color, and they work hard to keep our planet healthy and green. From planting seeds to controlling pests, their jobs are super important. They are much more than just pretty animals. They are a vital part of nature's big family. We can help them by making sure they have clean places to live and by putting out bird feeders in the winter. What is your favorite thing about birds? And what kind of bird do you hope to see on your next adventure outside?